Hello friends, lunges are a good exercise for strengthening, sculpting and building several muscles and muscle groups, including quadriceps, glutes as well as hamstrings. Let's start from beginning. If you are a beginner, use side support. Stand in one leg forward position. Bend your front knee in such a way that your front knee should not cross your heel and your back knee should not make an obtuse angle. Make sure your back is erect. Do this workout only if you don't have any knee injury. Do same number of reps with both the legs. If you understand the leg position, we can move to the next variation. Next is step forward lunges. You can still use side support if you don't have strength for 15 to 20 repetitions. Do this with leg changing. Now try this without support. Doing alternately give both the legs same amount of strain and rest. Also, keeping your hands forward helps keep your back erect. Another variation is step back lunges. Stepping back is slightly brainy. You need to keep alertness for good balance. Make sure your front knee should come in alignment with your ankle. Do this with alternate legs. Next variation is high knee lunges. It starts with downward position of lunges. Lift your body up on the front leg and raise your other leg higher than the waist. And then bring back to the lunges position. Next variation is the mixture of last three variations. Step forward lunge to high knee to step back lunge. Do it alternately with both the legs. To give both the legs equal amount of rest. This is slightly exhausting, so be prepared before you do this. Another variation is explosive style lunges, that is jump lunges. Be in lunges position, then jump and shift to other leg forward. To balance your body, your hands will move opposite to legs. Another explosive form is jump high knee lunges. This is same as high knee lunges. The only difference is while raising your knee, you have to jump high. Wide squat to lunge. This is enjoying and slightly exhausting lunges. While doing this, make sure you raise your heel properly. Last is skater lunges, because it looks as if you are using skates. Start from wide squat position, cross your one leg behind the other leg and come back. Be safe while doing this. Thank you.